Prayer for healing anxiety and fear. Dear God, I come to you today with my anxieties, fears, and worries. I trust in your goodness and your love. Help me to cast my burdens on you and to trust in your sovereignty. Guide me to focus on things that are true, noble, right, pure, lovely, and admirable. Renew my mind, Lord. Transform my thoughts. Give me peace that surpasses understanding. I'm struggling with anxiety and fear. Help me to surrender these to you. Fill me with your joy, your peace, and your love. Guard my mind against negative thoughts and lies from the enemy. Help me to trust in your presence with me, your power in me, and your love for me. Give me the strength to choose your truth and to reject anything that's not from you. Dear God, thank you for your healing, restoration, and presence with me. I trust in you. Help me to walk in your peace and to share it with others. Amen. Share this prayer with friends and family. Subscribe for more daily prayer devotions like this.